Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Ekene and I am the face or the owner of Nutcased Designs. We're a small business based in Lagos, Nigeria that sells handmade arts and crafts as well as aesthetic and cute accessories such as tumblers, MacBook cases, iPad cases, all that jazz. I kind of created this segment of my YouTube channel to kind of show you guys the behind the scenes, what it really is like being a small business owner, not just in general, but like an actual person in Nigeria, the good, the bad, the ugly, showing you like, yeah, you can also do this too if you're a small business, and highlighting basically what it really is like, you know, running a small business. For today's video, I'm gonna really just show you the making of products. I have a couple of things that are on my to-do, which I'm about to write down in a few. I have a couple of ideas of what I want for today, and I'm gonna take you guys along the journey. So first things first, I have my jotter here, and I really want to note down a couple of the things I'd like to achieve for today. I have a couple of things that I'm running out of in stores, such as stickers. I have a couple of products I'm also launching that I also need to update our inventory. If I have enough time, I might also do an inventory check. I try to do this from time to time, just because there are times where somebody has either returned an item or swapped an item and I haven't updated that. And as a small business owner, if you don't keep track of your inventory, it kind of makes a mess of everything. So I'm trying my very best to add inventory check on my itinerary. I try to do this as often as maybe once a month or once in 2 weeks, just to make sure like everything is in check. What I'm gonna do right now is just quickly jot down a couple of things I need to achieve today. I'll probably tell you guys what they are and then just get started. Alright, so I am done now. I'm being realistic over here, trying to map out like the things that I can actually achieve today. So the first thing on my list is to make stickers. Like I said, I'm making at least maybe 10 brand new stickers. Not me writing this out. So I'm making 10 brand new stickers. I've already started some offline, so I'll show you guys when I'm done. I'm also going to be making some charms. I've run out of charms and I have made like over like 10 or 15, but I need to make a set of different colors today. So I'm gonna make some charms. If I have time, I will do my inventory check and upload new products on the website. So basically, I'll do a product photo shoot. If I have time, I'm being very realistic over here. I'm gonna be creating content for the week. If you don't know this, I do have a full-time job, and the only reason why today's a Tuesday, the only reason why I'm not working today is because it's a public holiday. But if not, I would be on my computer working my ass off. So I try to utilize all the holidays and the weekends that I get to creating content and making new products, making sure like everything is perfect on the website. There are a couple of people that have asked me why I'm not that responsive on Instagram, just like on DMs or in DMs rather. And that just really is because I have a full-time job again, and I created the website to kind of allow people to see my array of products without engaging with me so much. So you can actually order on the website and have your items delivered to you without even talking to me. I think that's the best way for me to engage with people, make the website all fun and interesting while also being productive. Because at the end of every workday, I do wind down, check the orders I have for the day, pack orders, and get them prepped for pickup with my delivery company the next day. Again, I don't have that time to create content. I feel like I was digressing a bit, but I don't have that time to create content during the week, so I try my very best to film and edit all my content that I would like to post for the week and just post that in the morning and then get it over with. It's kind of like around 8 a.m. I like to like post all my content like every work day and get that out of the way. And then if people want to engage with that, perfect. If they don't, that's also great. The main thing is that I'm trying to be consistent and grow my following with just creating authentic and genuine content. Yes, again, I'm digressing, but that's basically it. If I have time, I will create content for the week. The last thing is to plan out the content calendar for June. So because I didn't start this month strong, I didn't map out my plans, I didn't like have an idea of what I wanted our content to be, just because I didn't know the direction I was taking my YouTube channel channel. The plan is to take time out to map out the content calendar. I've mapped out like my content pillars and what I want to create content around, but it's the actual topics that I haven't done that. And if you're a YouTuber, you already know that you can't just post a video and assume that people are going to watch it. You have to do a bit of SEO research and find out what aligns with the kind of content you want to create and what people are actually searching for, and combining the two. Doing a bit of deep dive into that to see what my topics will look like, what the content will look like for the month. And hopefully if I have an excess of content for this month, I will push that into content for July. So yeah, it's a pretty interesting day, but I want to be as productive as possible, just because yesterday it was a public holiday, but I spent it working on a new product that I'm not going to share yet until most likely the end of summer, and just show you guys like what is in store for us here at Nutcased. So yeah, while I blab, let me just get started on this so that this vlog is not too long, and then show you guys what I'm able to achieve at the end of the day. I did forget to mention, in the midst of me launching new products this week, I have these new products that I filmed the content, but I just like not gone to put them in the card. But I'm launching these card coasters. Not sure you can see them. I'm gonna show them individually so you guys can see. This is what it looks like. So I have them in like really cute designs. I'm trying to see which one I can show you guys. And you guys see these really cute designs. Like, this is what we're launching this week. I'm so very excited just because of the creative juices that are flowing. Yeah, just seeing how excited y'all are going to be when you see them. But hopefully, no, this video will be posted after they've launched. Yeah, very excited for these. So before we get into the nitty gritty, I already started making some stickers before I started this vlog, just to see how they will come out, and I want to show you guys what they look like. So this is one. I'm not sure if the camera has flipped it. Yeah, it has. So this is one of them. It's called the Bookish Girl Summer. Summer is upon us, and I'm just very excited to create summery content for everyone. So I'm gonna be making a couple of new stickers. This design is just one of them, and let me show you guys what that looks like. Hi guys, good morning. So today is Sunday. I'm sure you're like, oh my god, like where have you been the last couple of days? Realistically, I was only able to make stickers that day, so I have a lot of stuff to do that unfortunately I can't do during the week because I have work. So I usually map out my weekends to do this kind of work. So I'm just trying to focus on that today, unfortunately. Yeah, this is one of the downsides to running a business and still having a full-time job. You have to realistically draw the line and not have the two of them intertwined. So I am currently working on my checklist. I was able to make some stickers, and right now I'm just trying to figure out like what's the best approach towards almost completing all the tasks that I have to complete. So I have had a little bit of a shortage. I really don't know how this shortage is coming about. But whenever I'm trying to pack orders, there's some orders that are not there or some items that are not there and I need to confirm. And I need to quickly do that this morning, make sure that it's accurate with what's on the website. The next line of action is to now upload new products on the website. I have some new products that I haven't uploaded and I have people on my neck for them. So I really want to get that out of the way. I have charms that I made. I think I might make more charms today. I'm not sure. But I have charms that I made. I have stickers that I made. I have some cups that I made, some designs that I haven't shown for a different type of cup. And I just really want to have all of this uploaded so that I know I can start advertising them. Oh, I have some new phone case designs that I want to also share and Kindle skin designs as well. So 5 products I want to upload today as well. I'm trying to be realistic here. I know I can achieve these 2 tasks, but overall, hopefully by some miracle, get everything done and still have time to do a bit of deep dive for content. I wasn't able to do that last week on Tuesday, so I'm gonna try and see if I can do that today.